Here's how to create a Google Form survey step by step. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. With Google Forms, you can create surveys, questionnaires, and quizzes with multiple answer types, completely free. Open a web browser and search for Google Forms. Click the first result. Click blank to start a new form from scratch. This is the easiest option. Click the title at the top and name your form. You can also add a short description if you want. Click the question field and type your question. Choose the answer type, like multiple choice, short answer, or paragraph. For multiple choice questions, add options below. You can also add an other option. Turn on required to prevent people from skipping important questions. Click the plus icon to add more questions. You can mix question types like checkboxes, drop-downs, and long answers. If Google adds an email question automatically, go to Settings, then tap Defaults and change Collect Email Addresses if needed. Click the Paint Palette icon to change colors, fonts, or add a header image. Click Responses to see answers in real time or export them to Google Sheets. Click Send in the top right. Share via email or copy the link. You can shorten the URL for easy sharing. Test your form first by opening the link yourself before sharing it. And that's it. That's how to create a Google Form survey questionnaire step by step. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.